guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free E who plays with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for supporting my channel. And yeah, so today's video, I am actually going to do a look and use a palette that I have not used quite some time. And sorry for the ultra brightness a little bit because it's dark right now. I have my ring light, I have my lights up there that I need to get new ones. And I got, of course, my mirror light right here. So this one's a little bit bright because it's dark and not really much natural lighting here at all. Just gonna be honest, if I do this, yeah, I just want to just do it that way. So, I have not played some of these colors. It's not this palette, but I am playing with this palette soon. But I thought I'd go with Carter Beauty by Marissa Carter. It's called the Sweet Apricot. It's just like a very everyday, neutral, everyday. I call it a neutral palette. So it probably is a neutral palette. And this brand is from the UK. You can go on the website. I will put it on there, carterbeauty.com. It is a UK brand, which I want to get more of these products. I want to try out more of these products from them. But I got this at Walmart like sometime last year when Walmart does this find out new brand stuff. And it was just like, hey, I will try it. So I wish I got more of their products, to be honest, because I didn't know if I'm going to like them or not. But yeah. So I decided let's go with a bronzy look. I do not have any more of my Milani nor my Anastasia, but I am got a new, got a haul. I got some videos coming out that's coming, and very excited. So I'm going to use the Beauty Crop eyeshadow base. You got oily eyelid, this product is not for you because this is really creamy. But if you got dry eyelids and everything else, this would, yeah, it will cover anything, will cover redness. But yeah, so for setting this up, just to help it, did wash my brushes. Like I said, I'm going with bronzy, earthy tones for this time because I think that's a perfect way to start summer. So this palette is really good for an everyday palette. You can do a glam look with this. You can do a whole bunch. But like I said, I do want more of their products to try out. I'm gonna try Sherbet. This color right here. Sorry, like I said, for the brightness, but this color right here. It's a nice I gotta wash my brushes soon. Yeah, I want to set this up because this eyeshadow base will move really quickly, which I do like because it does give a nice pigmented, but it creases really quickly if you don't set it at all. If you don't set it, you're screwed. So I'm gonna go with Brownie. Brownie is this shade right here. So we're gonna go right over here into the crease, and it doesn't matter how dark you want it or how light you want it because we're gonna go with darker colors. I like this brush, and this brush is E132, and the one I use to set my eye is the E129. These brushes from Shop are really good. I highly recommend them. They're only $1. If you can get a set, get it, because I have many of the brushes, and like I know a lot of you guys like, well, and what I'm gonna do for this cut crease, I'm actually just gonna this is so perfect for my hooded eyes because I do have hooded eyes, so I have to go a little bit higher up. You don't have to if you don't want to, if you don't have deep set hooded eyes. So yeah. Okay, like I said, we're gonna go darker, but I do want to blend that up right there, and I'm gonna use Charlie. Charlie is this nice color right here. we're gonna, this brush is the Luxie 239. I don't know what my caps decided. Over 239 Precision Shader. These brushes are good from Luxie. So I do minimum. I did get this from Ipsy, so as you can see, I like brushes from Ipsy. Okay. We're gonna hopefully to blend those two colors in to make a nice, I'm gonna use Reese, whatever this color shade right here. It's just that really dark brown. And we're going to go and follow that shade that we did with Brownie. And I like to look up like that to see what I'm doing. So next, eye base, but I want to cut crease this first. So what you want to do, what I like to do is see my outer corner, my inner corner, all the way to my outer corner. And what I'm going to do is kind of do this. I like to sketch it out. Put some on the lid. I already hit that, which is awesome. But will I buy this again? No. I felt like I can use different products. I'm not too worried of it to be messing up because I can use a small brush just to darken that up, which I'm planning to do anyway. But I do want going to do a wing because my eye shape is a little bit different than anybody else's, but that's okay because I'm going to put it right here at the outer V just to blend that in, just tap it in so I have a nice little angle to follow what I need to follow. This is gonna be fun. This is actually a lip brush, and this is brushes. I got this from a custom. It's customized by the glitter. It's like over 2 years old, I believe. But the oil, I think, is kind of dry out. Now, I'm going to Reese's again, and just adding that color into, because I have a guide, and that's what I want to use that guide for. The easy way, if you want that darker color back after a little bit and you want it more pigmented but actually more umph to that, just go back to that color that you use and use a small detail brush. You can always use a liquid eyeliner or a gel liner and just whoop, make a cool look with that if you want. Okay. I am going to use the Knit Melt No Budge eyeshadow one. To give that more extra umph for a next color. And and I really do like these. So if you ever can get the No Budge eyeshadow from e.l.f., go get it, because these are so good. Even by themselves, they're really good. But if you want an eyeshadow base to help you, this will work, because this is like another okay. But I want to do something different. Okay. For that color, just to make it a little bit pretty and nice and gorgeous and gorgeous. Sorry, I can't finish what I want. Here we go. This is such a gorgeous palette. Okay. I want to go all matte. I really want to go to all matte, but I want with a shimmer. I don't know why. I should go all matte one day. No shimmer. That'd be nice. Right? Right. Okay. I want to use Fizz. Fizz is this color right here. These are quite powdery. Oh yes. Nice, perfect match. I like that shimmer. Still earthy. Saddle. But it's pretty. So. But I want to do something different. Now, you can leave it like how it is if you want. I'm going to use a flat eyeliner brush. So it's a cheap thing I got for one Christmas. I'm going to use Reese's. And then I'm actually going to create a wing. It's connected to that. I don't know why, but I think that's cute. Have it connected. And what's gonna do? Nice, soft wing liner. Still, I think it could be a soft blend, but up it a little bit. Soft blend, but make it more. Actually, let's use Dive. Dive is Cosmetics Brighten Eye Bring Brighten Aurora, and I got this from my niece. So this one is the Uncensored from Covergirl Exhibitionist one. This is like really clumpy, weird smelling. Like I said, I kind of switch up. I'll be right back with the finished look. I went really subtle on this look, which it's not one of my things I like to do, but for every day, I'm gonna say this is not every day, but a soft glam look for the summer, I really do like this. So all the products I've used in this video will link down below. I do have a couple of affiliate links if you want to check them out. I do try to find the best prices for you guys on a lot of products I've used on this channel, and always trying to find you know, a mixture of high-end to drugstore to indie and everything. But yeah, and I love trying out different brands from different countries, so we'll see what, you know, you never know. So yeah, I really do like this look. I think it's really pretty. But yeah, this is it for today's video. Of course, if you like this video and you want more soft glam cut creases, hit the like button, and also let me know what kind of looks you want me to do. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family. We are drama free and judgment free here. We don't put up with that at all. And of course, don't forget hitting the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.